Hi guys, let's have a quick look at the Lincoln Town Car's books and manuals. So this is what they come in. I don't think it's real leather, but it looks pretty good. Okay, let's start right off here. This is the quick reference guide, which is pretty nice. If you just want to have an overall look at all the functions and see what button does what in your town car. Then we have a warranty guide. And we have a tire warranty guide. And the owner's guide. And a maintenance guide. And the benefits of owning a Lincoln Town car. So they are not too fancy, but I'm glad that they all came with the vehicle. And apparently the town car came with all kinds of different brands of tires, which I didn't know. I thought they would always have Michelin tires, but apparently not. So you could have some Continental, General, Goodyear, Kelly tires, Hankook, you know, all kinds of different tires. And here's another view of the quick reference guide, this time from the other side. See, just some basic information there. Alright, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.